first I came to the USA with my guitar in hand. I was told that I could get a job singing songs from Ireland. So I headed up to Boston, I was sure it would be alright. But the very first night I got on the stage, I was in for a big surprise. They said, "You're not Irish, you can't be Irish, you don't know Danny Boy, or Tooralooraloora, or even Irish eyes. You've got a hell of a nerve to say you came from Ireland. So cut out all the nonsense and sing back to Mara's band." But to tell the truth, I got quite a shock and I didn't know what to say. So I sang a song in Gaelic, I thought that might win the day. But they looked at me suspiciously and I didn't know what was wrong. Then all of a sudden they started to shout, "Now sing a real Irish song." "Oh, you're not Irish, you can't be Irish, you don't know Danny Boy, or Tooralooraloora, or even Irish eyes. You've got a hell of a nerve to say you came from Ireland. So cut out all the nonsense and sing back to Mara's band." Next day I was on my way for Chicago, I was bound. I was ready to give it another try, not let it get me down. From the stage they looked quite friendly, but I'd hardly sung one word, when a voice called out from the back of the room, and what do you think I heard? "You're not Irish, you can't be Irish, you don't know Danny Boy, or Tooralooraloora, or even Irish eyes. You've got a hell of a nerve to say you came from Ireland. So cut out all the nonsense and sing back to Mara's band." Now I've travelled all round the country, but it's always been the same, from LA to Philadelphia and from Washington to Maine. And sometimes now I wonder if it's a secret society, and it doesn't matter wherever I go, they'll be waiting there for me, saying, "You're not Irish, you can't be Irish, you don't know Danny Boy, or Tooralooraloora, or even Irish eyes. You've got a hell of a nerve to say you came from Ireland. So cut out all the nonsense and sing back to Mara's band." I'd been back home in Ireland just to visit some old friends, but the days had gone by quickly, it was time to leave again. I'd had so many wild nights in the week or two that passed, I was almost glad that this would be the last. But I didn't sleep at all that night, I stayed up till the dawn, singing songs and playing tunes till everyone was gone. By then it was too late for me to go back home to bed, so I opened up another beer instead. Back across the ocean to my home, away from home, glad to be returning, but sad to have to go. I'd like to find a way to be two places at one time. It's easy going back again, but it's hard to say goodbye. And I had one bag too many just as I was set to leave. I was loaded down with bacon and with sausages and tea, and I couldn't find my ticket as I'm walking out the door, till I emptied all my bags out on the floor. On board the plane I sip a drink while waiting for the meal, just trying to keep my head from knowing how my stomach feels. There's a baby right behind me making sure that I won't sleep, and the flight's too full to find another seat. Back across the ocean to my home, away from home, glad to be returning, but sad to have to go. I'd like to find a way to be two places at one time. It's easy going back again, but it's hard to say goodbye. I'm trying to fill out customs forms, but I can't find a pen. I'm swearing softly to myself I'll never fly again. There's a woman right in front of me, keeps playing with the sea. and someone nearby never washed their feet. But I fall asleep at last just as the plane is touching down. I aged 10 years while waiting for the bags to come around. But finally I make it home and I'm barely settled when I'm already making plans to go again. Back across the ocean to my home, away from home. Glad to be returning, but sad to have to go. I'd like to find a way to be two places at one time. It's easy going back again, but it's hard to say goodbye. Back across the ocean to my home, away from home. Glad to be returning, but sad to have to go. I'd like to find a way to be two places at one time. It's easy going back again, but it's hard to say goodbye.